YouTubers, I'm excited about this one today. I got a new trimmer heater alert. Man, let's go. Hit it. As a barber, I get so excited when I found out about new trimmers or clippers. Oh, these trimmers accidentally stumbled on me because if you don't know, I have a barbershop show on Aspire TV called Cut to It. It comes on 8:30 every Wednesday Eastern Time and 5:30 Pacific Time. Now, honestly, for season 1, the trimmers that I was using were kind of loud. So we're shooting season 2 and they wanted me to get some trimmers that were more quiet. So they got these trimmers for me. Stumbled across a jewel, man. And I gotta share it with y'all. These Wahl 5-star Hi-Viz trimmers are phenomenal. These things, they cut so good. And I'm gonna give you a demonstration. They're quiet. They're smooth, they're not loud at all. And here's something that I've never seen before that they come with. They have their own zero gappers. So when you take the trimmers apart to clean them or whatever, and you wanna make sure that they're zero gap right, only thing you do is you fit it in there. And look, it has its own screwdriver that it comes with. And you can take your equipment off, but you can make sure that there's zero gap right through here. Look, you turn it on, it'll line it up for you so your trimmers are zero gap. I've never seen that before. That's some new technology stuff right there. These things are good for trimming your beard, which I'm going to do, cutting your hair bald, cutting your facial hair off, whatever you need. Now, I know y'all like, shut up, Garrick, because some of y'all tell me I talk too much. Let me just get to the demonstration. And brothers, I've used these on people. I've used these on bald head. No bumps at all. No bumps. Smooth. Let's get to the demonstration, damn it. I'm gonna line up my beard using these Hi-Viz trimmers. Let's go. Don't forget to pull the skin technique because it helps you get a closer shave. Now that I did the top part, let me get my neck. One thing that I always do, I make sure that my face is dry before I shave. There we have it, a nice clean shave. As you can see, it got all the hair off under. I didn't zero gap these at all. And it got all my facial hair nice and tight. Let me give you a side view. These Wahl 5-star Hi-Viz trimmers, these are the truth. The 3 things that I like about it the most is, number 1, it cuts good. Number 2, it's quiet. And number 3, I love the way it fits in my hand. Like with this kind of slim design, it makes it easier to shave. You can use these to shave your bald head, to trim your beard, but this is worth it. I'll include a link in the description, but I highly recommend these. And also for black men, they don't cause bumps. So these right here, oh yeah, they got my approval. Subscribe. Ciao.